hit from the front driver's side wing, front headlight, front bumper. The bonnet seems to be around. Windscreen which is cracked. New windscreen replacement. You got the dash replacement, steering wheel airbag, knee airbag, and passenger airbag replacement. Side seat, the airbag's deflated on that as well. That comes off. Just gonna put that aside. Let's remove all the Torx screws on the bumper from the side, underneath, two tops, and then the side of the wheel liner. Now we should be able to remove the bumper. Fingers crossed. Oh yes, and there you go. One bumper and one mean looking wrecked car. Golf MK6. Ooh, but look at the state. Just what is going on? Alright. Headlight is off. It's not looking that bad actually. More broken components of the headlight. Washer bottle. Let's remove all that crap out of the way. Ooh, yeah, you know what? Chassis leg don't look bad. It's nice and straight, to be honest with you. So it's just this bit here. And I'm hoping, yep, we can remove that. There's bolts. So this will be your wing bracket. That's nice. We can remove that. And that's your wing. And look at the beating it's taken.
You can hit from underneath and from just right at the bottom of it. From
yeah, so we can assess it now. As you can see, it's quite bad, to be honest with you. As Ab is saying, it's taking a beating. Put that next to the bumper. So as you can see, the wishbone has had a major impact. This one, it sits straight from here and it bends up. So this is where the impact was, and it's pushed it up. Compared to that one, it sits nice and flat. Now the question is the wheel lined up? But 1.5 inches in this side here, that's the gap we want on the other side. Yep, 100%, look at that, perfect. So now that we got the wheel aligned, we got the new wishbone in there, and it matches up from this side to the other side. That should be coming off easily without, oh yeah, without any hassle. So let's get the dash out. Watch for the cables. Oh, underneath the steering. There you go. Come on, dash, come out. Alright, the dash is out and it's free. Stuck somewhere. Oh, stuck from there, so we're gonna go around the other side, just free it. And away we go. Look how clear that is, so much space. Now we can remove this knee airbag bracket. Got the airbag module and knee airbag bracket, now we can put them on. And as you can see, this one has a bad impact and it's damaged, so we need to replace this. So we're going to take this one off, and then the airbag module is in here. Then we can remove that, replace that, put the new one back on, and then hopefully the dash can go back on and complete the interior. We'll remove the seat. Once we remove the seat, I think it'd be a good idea to hoover the car from inside. And now we need to take this T20 off here. Once we've taken that, the bracket is free. There you go, we've removed this now. That's the OBD reader. The bracket is free, so let's remove the bracket. And I'm going to compare it to this one here. So look at that. So as you can see, this sits nice and straight, and this is bent from this side here. How it looks, hopefully there's no issues. Yes, 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 it sits nicely, there's nothing else bent, which is perfect. I need to replace this ECU module, which is in over there. As you can see, it's all hidden in the back of the dashboard. Would you look at that? It's all in. Look at that bracket, look how nice and straight it's sitting compared to the other one, which was bent. And look at that airbag module. So next thing to do, clean the whole car, because it is a mess. And you know what, I love it when a car comes back together, back to life. We were officially thinking of hoovering the car, removing the seats and give it a deep clean, but we thought the dash is high up, and we need to clean the bottom bit of the car. So we thought we put the dash back in, and plus all this mess here, hoovering the car with all this mess and junk ain't gonna work. So we've got the dash back on. Now we're gonna put everything back into the dash, complete the dash from the top, leave the bottom bit. We'll remove the seats, the trims all around from the floor, and hopefully all this bit here will be clear. Over the carpet, give it a decent clean, and then everything can go back in together and the interior will be complete. So we finally got the dash in and it's all completed. Everything's put together. We haven't put the trims back on, reason being because we still need to do the front windscreen. So we got the wing on and it's lined up nicely. Got a nice door shot coming to the front. Perfectly lined up with the headlight. So the next thing we need to do is put the front bumper on. And boom, there's the bumper on now. The next thing we need to put is the grill on.
And now the grill.
Check that alignment out. That is perfect. We've changed the bracket, we've changed the inner bracket, we've got a new headlight, we've got the new wing, we got the new bumper on. Everything's aligned, stripping everything back off just for paint.
These side skirts are going to sit something like this, yeah?
Oh, it is on. Ooh, yes, we got some side skirts.
With magic power.
So yeah, that's the side skirts that we got going. We've got a raised spoiler for this as well. So we got the front bumper blue motion, we got the side skirts blue motion.
Booyah!
So this is the wing. We are going to put it on.
And scratch it.
No, don't say that. Why would you say stuff like that? Extremely careful putting it on. Fresh paint, don't want to mess it up. Focus. Oh, yes! Yeah, slow in. Perfect. You can see we've got the front bumper on, we got the side wing on. Yes, now it's a complete car. Look at that.
These on the back and working away on the side skirt. As you can remember, the Golf previously put side skirt on the other side and the spoiler. So we're just trying to fit this.
We've done the side skirts, we've done the rear spoiler, we've done the front wing, the front bumper. Everything is done from outside, exterior wise. Now we got two-tone seats.
It is just nice and clean. Avoid that part because there's dust just been still, like as he said, it's been in the garage. We're going to clean that off.
So
Same with that as well.
let's remove this seat. Let's clean this area out, the driver side first, from the front to the back.
That's how you drag a seat out that you don't want anymore.
Mama, who hates cleaning and hoovering.
Basically, we're not detailing. We just want to do a quick hoover. That's it.
Nice and easy, mate.
So yeah, productive day today. Cleaned all the trims on the side going up, like all the black area part there. Door card all been cleaned up. Again, all the trim from here has been cleaned up as well. So we're dropping the car with the wheels on now. So drop the car down with the wheels on it, looking nice.
Get that click, yeah, lovely.
Something like this.
Oh yeah.
Under 20 minutes done this job. Should have been finished. Should be driving off by now. Like that. Dip it in.
That's nice.
That needs to go down lower. See now.
Oh, sweet. And it is looking absolutely gorgeous. It's looking like a beast. We got the front blue motion front bumper. Coming on the side, we got the blue motion alloys. We got the side skirts on. And we also got the extended spoiler, and it is looking nice. Green, we got the windscreen change as well. So the best thing about this Golf is this. The minute I unlock, oh yeah, full closure alarm. Look at that. You cannot go wrong with this. Oh, windows go up. Look at that. Love it. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.